Imagine sitting down with a warm bowl of bright green edamame, lightly steamed and ready to eat. You pop open a pod, slide out the beans, and suddenly the thought crosses your mind, how many calories am I actually eating here? It's a fair question, especially if you're someone who's watching what you eat or trying to make healthier choices. The good news is, edamame is one of those rare snacks that feels indulgent, fills you up, and still stays on the lighter side when it comes to calories. A standard bowl of edamame, which is usually about 1 cup of shelled beans, contains roughly 180 to 200 calories. That might sound like a lot for a snack, but here's the catch. It's packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, which means it keeps you full much longer than other snacks with the same calorie count. Instead of grabbing a bag of chips that you'll finish in 5 minutes and still feel hungry after, a bowl of edamame actually satisfies your hunger. And the best part? You're not just eating empty calories. Every bite comes loaded with plant-based protein, iron, folate, and even calcium. What makes it even more interesting is how customizable those calories are. If you're someone who likes to sprinkle a little sea salt on top, the calorie count barely changes. But if you start adding extras like butter, sesame oil, or spicy sauces, that's when the numbers can creep up. The beans themselves stay around 200 calories a bowl, but your toppings can easily double that if you go overboard. The trick is finding the balance, keeping the flavor while still enjoying edamame as the guilt-free snack it's meant to be. Another thing to keep in mind is how edamame compares to other snacks. A similar-sized bowl of chips can set you back more than 300 calories, with almost no protein or fiber to keep you full. A chocolate bar might hit 250 calories or more, but again, it won't last you long before you're craving something else. Edamame, on the other hand, gives you long-lasting energy and keeps your appetite in check. That's why so many people, from athletes to health-conscious eaters, swear by it as a go-to snack. So the next time you're enjoying a bowl of edamame, you can smile knowing that those little green beans are doing more than just tasting good. They're fueling your body, keeping you satisfied, and giving you a calorie count that fits perfectly into a balanced diet.